because of the accident, I can't pop the hood. I think that's a little bit low for me. Well, hopefully it's been maintained. Hopefully so. It's a big day here on the Monkey Wrench Mike channel because I have purchased another vehicle. Yes, I have been talking about doing this for years, and I finally did it. I am super excited about it. I have my sales receipt right here. I'm excited to tell you about it, and I hope that you are excited to see it because it's getting delivered right now. Do you want to see what I have purchased? Yeah, believe it or not, there it is, folks. That's it. I bought me a pick-em-up truck. Look at her. She's kind of gorgeous, I think. I did not see this to preview it. I just saw it online, and as Ariana Grande says, I want it, I bought it, blah, 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 blah. Look at that. There is some damage. This is a good-looking truck, though. All right, we'll let the driver, do his thing, and then we'll come back. But I bought a pickup truck. Yep, here she is. And I got this because of this right here. She is a 4x4 SLT. And she's not the extended cab. She's not the great big, quad cab, extended, I don't know, all that kind of truck talk. Okay, this is a nice little squatty body pickup truck that's been lifted a little bit. I love it. I think this is so cool. Okay, this has the big Hemi, which is what I need to tow with, and I have a good hitch. Okay, look at this. It's gonna be perfect. And it's in silver, so there are so many silver trucks in the salvage yards, and I'll tell you why I need to go to the salvage yard. But look at her, I love the rims. We'll eventually have to get some tires. I don't even know what those things are. Crosswind tires, and they do match. I think this was a pretty well cared for truck. I'm hoping at least it was. Maybe a little paint along the panel right here to touch it up. I mean, I don't want it perfect, but I want it to look nice and presentable. Okay, here's the damage right here. It was in a slight altercation. So, I don't know, this might pop out, okay? I do need a new grill, a new hood. Well, I don't know, this has been pushed over a little bit, so we're going to figure out what's going on underneath here. And as you can see, I need a fender. Okay, this is okay though. This is fine. And there are so many of these. I found in one of the pull-apart yards here in Tulsa, there's like 4 or 5. If, this is a big if, the front fender is the same on the 2-door as it is on the 4-door. I'm imagining so. I don't know. We're gonna find out. There's a little bit of tread left on these tires, okay? Going around to the back. Ooh. Dixie Custom Trucks. Okay, that's good. What's in the back here? I get I guess some styrofoam and a floor mat. This is styrofoam, right? I think so. Yeah, it's styrofoam. Okay, there's not a window in the back that opens up. That's okay. But look at how cool this is. I had a little buyer's remorse. This is a different tire. When I first got this, because I spent more than I do on cars, way more than I do on cars. But now that it's here, if it runs and drives, then I'll be very, very happy. Okay, so we do have a little interior work to do. The smell, oh, it smells good. Uh-oh, I didn't notice that either. So we're gonna have to add, what is up with that? Why is the windshield is that how they go? Or is this some kind of a rigged rig? Is that how it goes? I don't know. I think that's a little bit low for me. Okay. These are electric seats. These are electric windows. And right here, my 4x4. Yes, sir. There's a little ashtray thing. I don't know what this does. I guess it doesn't do anything. And I can find a radio. I'll put a cool radio in this thing. I don't know what that is either. A little strap to hold your purse, maybe? Who knows? Oh, I get the owner's manual. Okay. Look at this. Here we go. Yeah, this is a 2004 Ram 1500 maintenance log book. Very quickly, let's just kind of look in here and see if it'll let go. Here we go. Look inside. Well, none of these have been... Wait, was that a sticker? Another reason I bought this, I'll show you coming up. I don't see any stickers. Well, hopefully it's been maintained. Hopefully so. I don't know. I love the white gauges right here, okay? And I have a key and a... Oh. Let go. It's not letting go for some reason. Maybe we have to have power for the key to come out. Maybe so. All right, well, you know what that means. Let's see if we can pop the hood. And, uh-oh. Oh no, because of the accident, I can't pop the hood. Oh my gosh. I can't open the door a lot either because of the fender. Well, this is gonna be fun. Oh no, come on, Mike. I can't, it won't. Oh, great. What am I gonna do? I don't know. How did these even open? I mean, I could just rip this thing off and try to reach in there. Here, well, there it is right there. And I think there's, ow. Let's see here. There's a bar that comes down here that I think will pull that, but somehow I gotta get the hood to release. Okay, we may have to take a break and do some MacGyvering. Come on, hood. Oh, great. Okay, well, we'll be back. Hold on. Well, with the help of a screwdriver under here, we kind of pulled this thing, and then I did the hood release, and we have access to the wonderful engine. What does she look like? Well, we need hood struts. Oh my gosh, do we ever. Oh my goodness gracious. That's unbelievable right there. Oh, that's a big die-hard battery though, so that's a good sign. We'll have to clean that off and give it a jump. But look at this. Look at the engine. You still don't know why, the other reason I bought it. Well, it's because it's relatively low miles. For a 20-year-old truck, this has, I want to say 125,000 miles. I think that's all that is on this engine right here. Dodge Magnum Hemi 5.7 liter V8. This will tow a house. I love it, I love it, I love it. Let me get a stick or something to hold this up, and then we'll clean the battery and we'll give her a jump start. This is my setup. We got the air pump, the tire pump holding up the battery that's holding the negative lead to the chassis right there, and then all the corrosion. That's probably the worst I have ever seen. That is really, really bad. But I just got to see if this thing runs and drives like it is supposed to. So we have some dinging going on right here. Here we go, folks, for the first time ever. Come on, baby. There was a big puff of white smoke that came out, so maybe it just hasn't been run in a while. But there you go. It's only 125,000 miles on this baby. Look at that. And that's probably the battery. that's making that do that. But let's just listen to the engine very, very quickly. Check the exhaust. Do I have a fancy exhaust on here? Or is it missing? Nope, it's right there. That seems to be okay. Ooh, there's a lot of scratching on her. She's a work truck. I got to keep telling myself she is a work truck. And listen to that. Oh, that's good. She sounds fantastic. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Okay. Well, I got a parker somewhere. So let me do some maneuvering and then we'll get her into the yard right there. Because I got to wash her. She looks horrible. Yeah, let's do that. Let's see if I can park her. Let's move some cars around. All right, let's see if we can move her. This seat. There we go. All right, here we go. For the first time ever, reverse. Oh, I don't know what I think about that smoke. We're going to have to do some investigation into the smoke, but she's backing up just fine. This is the perfect size pickup truck too. It's not too big. I didn't want a gigantic one. I wanted one of the smaller ones that would tow. And I found it. God is good. Here we go. Oh yeah. I don't want my hood to close. Here we go. Now she's off the street and looking pretty. Look at that, 125,000 miles. The battery is doing its thing. Oil is perfect. Coolant, we should check the coolant. It's not doing anything yet. The car's only been running a couple of minutes though. But let me check my windows. Thank you. Ooh, they're tinted too. I didn't realize that. Oh, uh-oh. I only get 10 miles to the gallon. It's a Hemi after all. Holy moly. We have a door lock. We have our, does it automatic or do I just push it out? I guess I'm just gonna have to push it out. There we go. Look, it's like it was meant to be. These things, the mirrors are perfect. Okay, look at that. Okay, we're gonna let her kind of idle, see what's going on with the coolant, check the oil, and just have some fun with her because this, I haven't even looked in here. Ooh, okay, electrical tape. Uh-oh, here we go. Cohiba. Okay, so they smoke cigars. That's all right. I don't know what that goes to. But it's nice. I wish I had cup holders. Somewhere. Do I get cup holders or no? I don't think I do. Well, what do you think about it? I tell you, I am so excited about this crazy, inexpensive truck. I love it. I was looking for something. It had the short bed. I wanted it to be taller. I didn't want the extended cab, and I wanted four-wheel drive. I got it all. I got it all in one vehicle that needs some work, and I'm fine with that. The miles are great, 125,000 miles. That's all I got on this Hemi right here. Now, as far as cost, well, this, as you can see, was sold for $2,500. That was my bid, okay, which was fine. And then you add all these fees, and the total came out to be $3,352 for a 20-year-old pickup truck with 100,000 miles on it, which is low miles. I'll give you that. And that is a lot of money on, vehicles I usually spend very little on. I mean, this right here, that's a $1,000 Mercedes. That over here, that's a total. I won the bid at $650, so that's $1,000 Jaguar right there. The other Jag right there was given to me by my friend Missy. It's going back to her, so I really can't include that. I have the white Cutlass convertible over there. That was, I want to say maybe $1,800 total. So this is, it's the most expensive vehicle I purchased in probably 3 years. And I hope it's worth it. I really, really do. So what we're gonna do is piece this back together. As you can see, I have already been out purchasing parts for this. You notice that is broken right there. And if you look in the bed, can you see? I got a fender already, okay? So I think I have a source for a hood as well. I'm looking for a grill and a bumper, unless I can salvage the bumper. I don't know if I can or not. We'll see how it's built and what's bent. Other than that though, this is gonna be a lot of fun. And this is the vehicle I'm going to use to drag all kinds of crazy vehicles back to my home here and put on the channel. So I won't have to borrow Randy's truck anymore. So a huge thank you to Randy for letting me borrow his truck that dragged 3 vehicles home in a weekend. That was a lot of work, but it was a lot of fun. But this is my new truck and I'm excited about it. Let me know what you think about this. It's a Dodge Ram 1500 with a Hemi, 4x4, short bed, short cab, tall-ish truck with gigantic rims and tires. And I'm so excited about this. Oh, well, yeah, we do need to get a windshield, so we'll have to add that to the list as well. Leave a comment below, everybody. Thanks for watching the video. We're back with another one very, very soon. Until then, have a great day. Hug those kids if you got them, okay? Bye-bye.